Hello guys, welcome to New Society. I'm Nona Prince and I'm joined by
Varun.
whatever that was. And we are back with the third episode of Loki. We have been watching the show. If you haven't seen our previous reactions, go check them out. It'll be on top. First, we'll do the recap of the show. But if you want to directly see a reaction, there'll be timestamps available. Just click on it and you can watch it. But Varun, last episode, everything went to shit.
Yeah.
And there have been so many fan theories already, and one I liked was that all the like on the monitor we see all the timelines where everything is going wrong, and I think all those timelines will be the places we'll visit in What If. So that's
Yeah.
pretty interesting theory and I like it. So
Yeah.
that'd be nice to see how that works out.
Yeah, definitely. I also I read that theory, and I think I mean it is plausible, though I don't know like the way they are talking about What If is that it is nothing like related to anything else. It's just going to be an exploration of what if this would have happened, or what if this
Yeah.
character would have done that, or something like that. And a lot of interesting details have also come up about that show, but that's for another time. But yeah for Loki, I think like I have no clue where the plot is going to go now, where what is going to happen next. Also, I heard that in the end credits of the second episode, they showed that like the character, she's not Lady Loki, her name is Sylvie or something like that. So she is like another character from the comics,
Okay.
whose name is Enchantress, who's also a
Yeah,
bit
I heard
like,
that. Yeah.
yeah. But I think maybe she is Lady Loki. They just use that name because they keep doing that. They often merge two characters, like they use the name for one and powers of another and all that. So that's a common thing. They have done that previously many times with the MCU. I think
Yeah.
in Thor Ragnarok also, Hela was like, she was a combination of two. She was not just the Hela from comics. She had the powers of another character, throwing those swords,
Yeah.
and all that. So that's very common. I think that might be the case here, but we'll learn more in this episode, of course. But yeah, I'm looking forward to what's going
Yeah.
to happen next.
Man, like last episode was really like the ending was crazy, and I think
Yeah.
till now, considering all like the previous two shows, I think I'm like very hooked up and very impressed by the first two episodes. Overall as as a show, right? The looks and the writing and the acting, everything is top notch. Not that other there were issues with the other ones, but the pandemic I think had a hand to play, and some of the writing choices, some of the choices, whom to play, what character. Bravo, yeah. So, but apart from that, I think I'm really enjoying, and didn't as I think both of us were not really interested in this, but
Yeah.
right now we are so much into it, and I think that says a lot that how well the show
Yes.
is. So let's read the comments now.
Okay. So Farhan says that Owen Wilson is so good as Mobius. I feel he could become my school's counselor. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, I really like the character.
yeah.
And Darshan B says, 2 episodes in and TV is already doomed. Yeah, it is.
Yes, and I think some of the people are saying, how bad TV people are in doing their job.
Yeah. Then I think there's one comment by Vineet Dubey. So he has mentioned a fan theory about like how this show can connect to Thor: Love and Thunder. That I think Loki will go to like Asgard before it was destroyed, and I think he'll recruit Thor from there, because in that movie the villain Gore the God Butcher. So he's like a character is going to kill the Thors from different universes and all that.
Oh.
Something like that. That's a leaked plot. We just know that he's going to kill Thor, but or like he has been killing gods. That's why he's called the God Butcher. But there
That's
was a leaked
interesting.
plot
So they're
that
gonna kill
he's
Chris
going to.
Hemsworth.
I mean, he's going to kill alternate universes Chris Hemsworth. That's what they. I mean, they were. These were
Chris
leaked
Hemsworth or
plots and
Thor?
all that. They are going to kill Thor, so of course Chris Hemsworth, but like from different universe, so different
No,
timelines.
Chris
and all
Hemsworth
that.
or Thor from different universe.
Thor
Yeah.
from different universe.
So
Yeah.
and how
Thor
does
the
she become
character being played by Chris Hemsworth.
so she like what's her name, man? The actress
Which Jane.
Jane Foster. She becomes the Lady Thor, right?
She, that's a different plot. I think she has cancer, so to protect him, like protect her, Thor gives her the like he uses the magic or something to make her the Thor so that she can cure herself, and he like
okay.
remains as human or something like that. But at this point, we don't know anything.
But that's from the comics. The story.
Yeah, from the comics.
Okay.
But then later, like of course, it's comics, so both of them become Thor in the end. Like both of them have powers and all that. So yeah, we don't know
actually,
how much.
they can do that, right? That gives and like Thor gives away his power, and he doesn't die because he's now not Thor anymore, kind of a thing. So and both stay in this universe. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see how how much like Chris Hemsworth be a part of the universe now. Because the original like the Tony Stark and Captain America have retired now, and
yeah,
even
they
Hulk
all have
in some
like
sense.
3 movie, 4 movie, and they did. I think with Thor because he did not have like first 2 films were not good, but he got a really good arc over Infinity War and Endgame. Like he was more like he was a major character in both those films. So I think maybe like he has a trilogy sort of if you consider Ragnarok, Infinity War, and Endgame. But yeah, I think this film can be like a conclusion of his story.
Yeah.
So that might be interesting. But I think the comment mentions that Loki will go there. I don't think Loki is going to be in that movie. Like
I think Tom Hiddleston also said
so,
that he's not in Thor, Love and Thunder. Yeah. All right. So that's it with the comments. So guys, do comment. We'll be reading your comments in the next video. So let us know your thoughts. And looking forward to it. Let's see what's in store for episode 3. I've heard it's a very action-packed one. So hoping for a lot of new big things happening, and hopefully our reaction will be good. So guys, if you enjoy, do like, share, subscribe, and let's watch the episode.
Drunk with power, blinded to the truth.
I really like the monologues, Loki monologues, how we see the world.
Overthrow the timekeepers. I'm not in.
We are only calling her Lady Loki, right? Like because everyone knows on the trailer and all. But the show never said anything.
Yes, that's why.
Again, the Mephisto thing, right? There was a fan theory that like Loki was just standing there. Why wait? Why are you shouting wait? So that was like he wanted Loki to go. So okay, let's see. That's too far-fetched. Nice. What's with the song? Do you know the song?
No, copyright.
Yeah, it will not be in the cut. Not that it matters right now, but yeah, don't want to take risk.
Buffalo fingers. Or we could eat somewhere else.
Oh.
Place down.
Hmm.
The drink seems. How many people are guarding the timekeepers?
Oh. Oh, she's the guard. She's
Yeah,
a guard.
she's
She
the-
took.
Yeah.
She's a guard in episode 2.
yeah.
She took with her.
Oh, I think this is happening in her mind, right?
This place I.
Yeah.
Yeah. Probably.
Okay.
I think a lot of people, were talking about the music of the show. The big
Yeah.
background music. It's really good.
It
The
is.
sad violin they're using. Oh, she's here. Oh,
Of course it was.
it doesn't work here or what? Oh shit!
Yeah, even Loki's powers were not working.
But the green thing came, right?
Yeah, that came, but nothing happened.
Oh man, she's just erasing people from existence. Remember? Loki's mind is working. Oh, the knives. The knives.
You're in my way.
You are my way.
Nice dialogue.
But now I see you lack vision.
Hey!
Uh-oh. Oh.
Oh,
Uh-oh. Stuck with him. Oh, so they are on some place.
yeah. Now they're not in the TV.
Yeah.
I think.
Dos.
Oh, they're on some different timeline.
Yeah. That's the title of the episode actually.
Yeah, I think.
But they are in a place where it's like the disaster is gonna happen.
Yeah.
2077.
2077. It's not even Earth. It's I'm pretty sure this is something from comics.
Yeah, so they are in a place where that apocalypse will happen. Using her powers.
Wait, did she?
What's he doing? You're trying to enchant me.
Oh, Enchantress.
Hmm.
I'll kill you then.
or I'll kill you.
It feels like, you know, two Loki are talking to each other.
I don't work for them. I'm a consultant.
I like the slowly we are getting into it. It's not, you know, direct confrontation. Yeah, why are you doing this? Okay, that's why. Okay. Looks beautiful, man. Each shot is like a wallpaper. Oh, someone's here. That means someone is here. I already like the chemistry between them. Oh.
I enjoyed it.
Oh, I did too. But I can assure you,
Okay. Oh. Loki on his tricks. He's gonna get one too.
You're as beautiful as I
He's getting one. I knew it.
Patrice never said a thing that nice in 30 years.
Okay, I don't know idea where this is going now. Okay, finally. Some conversation.
No, she's not actually. I was adopted. Is that a bit of a spoiler for you? Sorry about that.
No, I knew I was adopted.
What?
Did they not tell you?
No.
That's a cool trick. Nice to impress the girl.
Love is mischief.
Write that shit down.
Remember in the end of Avengers, he said he wanted to have a drink when all of them were there.
Ah, yeah.
This is the next time after that he actually has a drink.
Yeah. That's the theme song, right? Of the Loki.
I think he's speaking in Asgardian.
Yeah. Like if everyone's gonna die, right? Because
Yeah,
anyways, because otherwise the TVA would know they are there, right?
yeah.
I thought an answer.
To what?
Love is.
Question. Love is a dagger. Until it makes you bleed.
Love is an imaginary dagger.
Whoa. You know, few of the Loki tricks he's doing, it's I think first time I've seen him do in the whole MCU.
Yeah.
Shit. Oh man. Can you not fix it with the magic or recharge it with the magic?
Those are just illusion.
Ah, okay. Oh shit. You know, I think it's Loki's plan to get out of her what she wants.
I feel like I've told you so much about me.
See, he's trying to get out of things, right?
I was told that everyone who works at the TVA was created by the Timekeepers.
They're all variants, just like us.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
All of them are. Oh, nice. That makes sense. That really makes sense. It answers a lot of my questions I had. The set looks amazing, man. Oh. It has been a single take for so long. Since they entered this place.
Yeah.
Oh. Nicely done. Hey, nice. Definitely there are hidden cuts.
Yeah, of course, but yeah.
Oh, this is insane. Oh, he can do that also?
I think.
Oh. What the hell? What?
Okay.
Oh man. Come on.
Oh,
Kidding, right? Oh, what was that episode? I have no idea, man. This is creatively, I would say, you know, that whole last shot was very nicely done.
yeah.
And I think, have you seen Family Man by any chance?
Yeah. I
Yeah.
haven't seen the second one.
Yeah, but there are 2 seasons. If you don't know, there are 2 seasons of The Family Man. It's a spy family drama show. Very innovative, very funny. It's on Amazon Prime. It's an Indian show. And they also, you know, do these one-takers. And it's pretty interesting. But I think this one is, you know, it's like the CG is used and you can tell where the cuts are. But it's very well done. Only one thing I think if I nitpick is that, you know, when they're running, because it's a limited set, right? They cannot run full. The set will get over. So they have to run, you know, like there's only little bit space. So
Yeah.
it doesn't feel
They're
like they're
like
running,
acting
right?
running.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can notice that, but I'll
you
give it
can
off.
tell
It's a
that.
well done shot. Yeah, man, like very weird episode, I would say. Very weird episode. What do you think?
I think definitely, you know, there was a lot of action also, but there was a lot of like just a lot of conversation and talking happening also. So like I really like that. I think they used it was like shorter than the previous 2 episodes, but they used that time very well.
Yeah.
They like there was a lot happening. We got to learn more about Loki as well. We got to learn more about this new character, and we got a new reveal also that they are all variants,
Yeah.
which is like I don't know what is like. Seriously, the show is going so good at this point. Like we cannot expect what is happening. Like even in this episode, okay, we learned that they'll try to escape that plan, but they are not able to. Now, what are they going to do? Like
Yeah.
I think in that way it's going very well.
It's pretty interesting, man, that all are, I had that big question, that from where did these people come, who
Yeah.
said this, like why they can die. If they created them, then why not they are, immortal, so they can take care of everything. So all these questions, but now it makes sense. All of them are just variants. And what if they are not even variants? That whole twist of what TVA is really is, it's just a wrong, like,
Yeah.
wrong corporation,
yeah.
miscarriage, what do you say, like hiding behind in the shadows and doing something evil in the name of doing something right. So that'll be pretty interesting, and I think the reveal of the timekeepers will be very interesting.
Yeah.
It can be anything,
Yeah.
yeah.
It could be like a joke also, like
Yeah.
how they did, in Iron Man 3
Ralph Boner.
with yeah, or Ralph Boner also. Yeah, I think it could be a joke. It's just some random person who's
Yeah.
doing all this.
There are a lot
Yeah.
of theories already. The Kang the Conqueror. I think someone asked the actor also, and he said, "I don't even know what you're talking about."
Yeah, I mean really like it is a big character. I don't think they will introduce him in a TV show.
Yeah.
I think those are just theories.
Yeah, definitely, man. Like Mysterio, like I personally I don't even know Mysterio. I don't even know the character. I heard it because of the theories, and I never
Mephisto.
Mysterio
Mysterio is in
sorry.
Spider-Man.
Mephisto, and I was like, I didn't like nothing was like oh, I'm waiting for Mephisto. No, I didn't care. It can be anything. But I think I'm not really even upset about Mephisto. Why there's not someone who's controlling Agatha or something like that. I don't even care. They should have made Agatha a good villain, That was my issue with that show. Not Mephisto didn't come up. I didn't even care. My problem is this Ralph Boner thing. That was so not done. So, yeah, but man, very interesting. I think one thing is that a lot of talking is there, but it's not an exposition dump,
Yes.
that they're sharing
definitely.
exposition. It's more about the characters, and I feel like I know Sylvie now, instead of explaining me what this character is, giving me all the details what she can do. Instead of that, through the episode I know the character, and it's pretty interesting, how the plot is also moving ahead, and we also get the character time. And I think the thing is that we don't know what to expect, right? Like if we even take DC shows, right? Like we have been watching them for years now. We know what the way of storytelling is, we know that. But here, I don't know what's happening. People call some episodes of filler, some episodes are, nothing much happened. But here we have no idea, we don't have any parameters. What is the story and what is not. And unless the story is over, we cannot say that, right? So it's pretty interesting. Only 3 more episodes to go.
Yeah, we are already halfway.
Yeah. And I think I think because that whole planet had to die, right? Because if they don't die, that means it's not an apocalypse, and TVA will know that there'll be a change in time. So they had to, and the whole plan was, I don't know, they think about it. If they, make it out, then TVA comes to, take them. So that would have been pretty interesting to see. But it didn't happen, and I don't know now. I feel, but the way Loki behaved, I thought that breaking of that thing was, the illusion to get to know more about from her. Maybe still, he's trying to, get her into saying what's happening, and it's all an illusion. The whole thing is an illusion. Maybe she's stuck. That'd be pretty interesting.
I think in the next episode we'll get to see that what the TVA was doing all this time, because we saw that all those timelines happened and everyone
Yeah.
was like what to do now. So I think in the next episode we'll get to see what they were doing while both of them were here, and I think I have a feeling that, like, at least I'm expecting right now that the TVA will come in and take them off this planet or something. But again, this show is doing a lot of unexpected things, so. Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's hard to tell, what's next. And I heard this crazy theory that that TVA is in quantum realm, because in Ant-Man 2 there were shots of a city, and even Wasp mother, right? I don't know the name. She was in the, she said time moves differently here, and even this guy also. I forgot. I'm bad with names, man. Mobius. No, Mobius also said in this show, right? Time moves differently here. So I think a lot of people, and because Kang is coming in Ant-Man, and Kang is part of this also, so there are a lot of it's like, I think I've heard a lot of theories, but this one like kind of makes sense that this may exist in quantum realm, because it's away from the snap, right? Nothing can happen here and all of that, so that's quite interesting. And I think I will Quantum Mania, finally an Ant-Man movie will be like major film, not like a passable film, like you don't need to watch it. So that would be pretty interesting.
And surprisingly, I mean, even Ant-Man 2 did have they used that same technology in Endgame also, even though they have re-explained the whole thing, but it's like all of them were wearing Ant-Man suits, which was like a big thing,
Yeah.
Like it suddenly made the franchise a bit more important. So that was it, but yeah, I think definitely the third film is going to be like a big film.
Yeah. Second film was, I think, honest. First one was still better because we got Sam Wilson in that one. But I think the second one was meh. The whole villain didn't work. I don't even remember the plot anymore, honestly.
Yeah.
It was so
I don't think they had any
forgettable.
villain. It was
The Ghost,
they
right?
when they said that they said that they won't have like any villain. It's just going to be 2-3 different groups going after the same thing. So it was like that all of them wanted that. I think it was something was
That building, right? That building.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so
so-
there was like yeah.
And also
it
there
did
were
not
these
work in
gangsters
execution.
who were for
Yeah.
the side characters, for
Yeah.
them to tackle.
Yeah, and
so
they in that film also they mentioned that there's some secret, like there's some hidden person who is funding the gangsters, and people were saying it's
Yeah.
going to be who is it, Kingpin from that, and nothing like that. That film
dude,
came out 3 years ago. Nothing
Spider-Man
like
is
that.
like very. I think now I don't really want to really even talk about, because it doesn't matter. What's
Yeah.
gonna happen. But I think it's at the end of the day, what I realized, that it's very exciting time to be a fan. With so many things happening, we have no idea what's coming ahead. We are getting the shows, movies. 4 movies are coming out this year in the second half, and it's pretty good, man, as a superhero fan, to witness different stories and all of that. So I think it's a great time. I had nothing to complain about at all. The hard time last 2 years we had as a civilization. So I think we are at least getting something to watch. I think the whole Superman, like superhero fatigue and all, is just out of the window now. I've talked about it so many times, right? Like after Endgame, I was like, maybe it's time to stop. I'm done. Okay, I think it's the best end, and I just don't want to get into it. But I think the whole pandemic and everything just changed everything, changed the way of things. So that's yeah. So anything else? So what should be the question of the video? Is Loki tricking Sylvie? Is that a good one?
Yeah, that's a good
Yeah.
question.
So guys, let us know.
Is he
I'll
still
pin it in the
tricking?
below comments. Is Loki tricking Sylvie, or or not? That's basically it. Yes or no? So do let us know in the comments, and definitely let us know your thoughts. And if you enjoyed, like, share, subscribe. We are planning to do a live session this weekend about the first 3 episodes of Loki. We'll get into the theories and everything. So do join us for that. And yeah, we'll see you next week. Bye bye.
Bye.